Check out this Dodge 2017 Challenger RT SCAT PACK. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black houndstooth bucket seats with logo, wheels, 20-inch x 9.0 inches aluminum, STD, tires, P245/45 ZR20 AS Performance, STD, engine, 6.4 LV8 SRT HEMI MDS, transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 70 included, auto leather-wrapped shift knob auto stick automatic transmission steering wheel mounted shift control tip start, granite pearl coat, quick order package 24 grams RT SCAT PACK included, engine 6.4 LV8 SRT HEMI MDS transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 73.09 rear axle ratio, rear wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the